Everyone, this is Jarau once again. I'm on my second day of fasting. Tomorrow I'm making 3 days. This is something I do every month, once a month. As you can see, I'm enjoying nature. It really feels good to fast. For everyone who hasn't really tried out fasting, you need to try it out. So as you can see, behind our neighborhood, this if you can see in the background, those are banana plantations. And it rained here ago. And as you can see, it rained here a few hours ago and I'm trying to ground, as you can see. Now this is some that water that is behind, that has collected itself around the banana plantation, and I'm trying to, oh, this thing is biting me. I'm trying to ground it, and I'm also, so it's really a nice, I'm fasting, I'm grounding, I'm sunset. Let me, as you can see far back there, I'm also enjoying the sunset. Touching grass, I'm also touching grass. In the last video I posted about touching grass, people said I didn't touch root grass, but grass is just, for me, as you can see, this is this green leafy stuff. As you can see, it has some black ants. I'm just trying to enjoy nature in the evening. I always take a walk in the evening I always take a walk, watch the sunset, and sometimes I even walk on barefoot as a way of grounding. As you can see already, this is some that water. Let me, yep, I think it feels more nice in this dirty water. I'm getting that real nature feeling. I don't know whether you guys can understand what I'm saying. It's only a few guys who can understand this, but it feels nice because most of the time we stay on shoes. So once in a while you need to get time and get out and reconnect with the ground, as you can see, as I'm doing. So as you can see, you only need to try it out because most of the time we are indoors, we wear shoes. Some of you even don't watch the sunrise or the sunset, but me, I have that. It's that side. Let me zoom a bit. It's really a nice feeling. My phone is filled up with very many photos. My phone is filled up with very many photos of sunsets mostly. So guys, when you get time, learn how to fast once in a week or twice a week. Get time, go out and move on, as I'm doing here. Move around your neighborhood on foot, go to the shops, go on foot, and also enjoy the sunset. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Have a great day wherever you are. Thank you.